Hello friends, Mango Tomato Bruschetta is a healthy twist that you are sure to love. With just a handful of easy to find ingredients, it's ready in just 15 minutes and makes the perfect snack or appetizer. So let's get started. For making this gorgeous bruschetta, you need a large French garlic bread loaf, and this can be found easily at any bake shop or store. Cut the garlic loaf into slices about an inch thick and place them on a butter paper lined up pan. Finally, chopped garlic cloves and a tablespoon of olive oil. Just mix and brush them lightly with oil and roast them till crisp on both sides. I did it in oven. You can do it in toaster or tawa as well. So the base of the mango and tomato bruschetta is all set to assemble. And the next step is making the topping of the bruschetta. In a mixing bowl, add medium-sized chopped tomato, chunk of a large mango, some fresh basil leaf, finely chopped garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, quarter teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix them well. This whole refreshing bowl looks so tempting and I can't wait to have them all. In a serving dish or plate, spread the prepared mango salsa on the crispy roasted garlic bread slices and serve immediately. A great combination of sweet and sour, peppery flavored mango bruschetta is ready to surprise and delight your guest or family with. Hope you like the recipe and video. Give a thumbs up and press the bell icon for more upcoming amazing recipes soon. Bye bye.